Welcome back to Allison Customs Project Car TV and another Tool Bag Tuesday. What I've got for you today is we're talk a little bit about flat discs. And for those of you who don't know, it's a sanding disc, and the sandpaper is kind of put in here on an angle. On an angle there, and just a whole lot of pieces of sandpaper put together. And all these pieces of sandpaper are glued onto this backing, this fiberglass backing disc, or some kind of fiber backing disc. The brand I'm currently using is called Meixsell, M-E-S-T-O-O-L. These are 40 grit. I've tried 80, 120 grit, and I have some use for those, but typically I don't have a lot of use for that grit until I'm down to the final metal finish of something. So I don't use very many of those. However, I've tried a few different brands, and I would say this is, if I'm rating these, I would give these probably a 3, maybe a 4-star. Their thickness is a little narrower, a little thinner than other brands I've used, compared to, like, say, DeWalt or my favorite brand, Benchmark. I tried these the last time, and last time I was purchasing, just to see if they would be good. Benchmarks usually run about $2.35 a piece. You get 10 of them in a package for $23.49. I'm looking at my notes here. These, you get a box of 22 for $19.99, which works out to 91 cents a piece. And that's why I almost want to give them a 4-star. They are a 3-star pad when you consider wear and basically durability. They pretty much, every brand I've tried does the job. It's how long they last. These last better than, say, the Harbor Freight Warrior brand, which is the bottom of the line, and those are $4.49 a piece. These are 91 cents a piece, so you can see there's value there. The Benchmarks run $2.35 a piece. Another one I've tried is the DeWalt, and my father-in-law always bought these, the DeWalt brand. These run about $3.50 a piece, and I would say they definitely last longer than the Meixsell. However, there's the Meixsell worn. You can see it kind of gets jagged around the edges, which the DeWalt doesn't seem to have that same issue. So the DeWalt seems to last a little longer, but does it last 3.5 times as long? I don't think so. Of course, if it lasted only just as long, you know, if it was just 3.5 times as long, you would still be better off buying the DeWalt because you wouldn't have the time to change out the tool all the time. The other thing is, I find that when I'm grinding, I tend to use this outside edge more than the center part, and I think a lot of people do, which means that edge wears down quicker on all of the pads. And if I'm going to continually wear out that edge on pads, I'd rather wear out 90-cent pads than $3 pads. To give you a comparison, or discs, to give you a comparison again, Benchmark $2.35. That's probably my favorite brand so far that I've tried. There are others out there, and I'm sure there's some really good ones, but I haven't tried very many brands. Harbor Freight has 3 different brands. I have tried all of these: the Warrior, the Bauer, and the Hercules. And to give you a comparison, Warrior's $4.49, Bauer's $6.49, the Hercules is $8.99. Now the Hercules is the only one you can get in what's called a T29 or a Type 29 flat disc. The other two are Type 27, and really all that means is the Type 29 is flat and the Type 27 has a bevel, and I tend to want the ones that are flat. So about what I have for you on these. So I'm just sharing that I found a brand that does a pretty good job. Like I said, I would give it a 3-star all day. That would be for 90 cents. So once again, thanks for joining me. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time on Tool Bag Tuesday.